So Lewis will have DRS.
Bottas is not getting out of the way. This could impact Hamilton's chance at victory here, because Valtteri is not getting out the way. Is he going to let him know? Still, maybe he'll let him through on this. Well, I say let him through. He's so much slower, visibly slower, and all of a sudden the amazing teammate Lewis Hamilton called Bottas running in the run-up to this weekend. I don't imagine he's going to have some kind words to say.
Lewis are back in P2. Got Verstappen 11.5 ahead, 14 laps remaining.
Might not have any tyre left at the end.
Copy Lewis, we think Verstappen may have less.
He definitely will. Definitely will.
When Lewis Hamilton came out of the pits from his second stop, the gap was over 22 seconds. Verstappen is struggling here. Hamilton goes around the outside at turn 1, and the charge is complete.